Introducing the all-new Volta Wolf GaN charger. Charge faster, effortlessly with the most advanced charging technology. Featuring a sleek, compact design, these 130 watt and 200 watt chargers put more power in your hand while delivering extra value for money. Comfortably replace 4 other chargers with one Volta GaN charger and enjoy the hitch-free swift output of optimum power flowing independently through each of its 3 USB-C and 1 USB-A outlets to fast charge 4 devices, including 2 laptops, at the same time. Sometimes great things come in small sizes, and at 78mm in length, it is the world's smallest 130 watt charger. Or you can almost double the power with a 200 watt charger that measures only 84mm in length, with both fitting easily into your pocket as reliable companions for fast charging all USB and USB-C PD devices that includes your laptops, smartphones, game consoles, iPads and much more. All with a charger that is smaller than your credit card. Get rid of cluttered, tangled cables and free up space for you and others to charge more and do more. Plugged in with your Volta charging cable, it offers the most seamless and efficient charging experience you'll ever get. The Volta GaN charger is manufactured using the most advanced charging technology, the gallium nitride semiconductor that delivers power to your devices in a very safe, portable and highly efficient manner. With 3-pin converters that offer worldwide compatibility, it is also your perfect travel companion to keep your devices charged up across 200 and more countries. So whether at home, office or on the go, charge faster effortlessly with the Volta GaN charger.